Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of unmuting an account in X, full guide, using your Android device. If you have previously muted an account and now wish to hear their posts again, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Tap Setting and Support. Look for the option in the menu that says Setting and Support and tap on it. Step 4. Tap Settings and Privacy. This will open the settings and privacy options for your X account. Step 5. Tap Privacy and Safety. Look for the section that contains privacy and safety settings and tap on it. Step 6. Tap Mute and Block. This will open the mute and block settings for your X account. Step 7. Tap Muted Accounts. Look for the option that says Muted Accounts and tap on it. Step 8. Tap the voice icon next to the desired account. Find the account you want to unmute and tap on the voice icon located next to it. By following these steps, you can easily unmute an account and start hearing their posts again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides. Thank you for watching.